Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and turn off auto renewal for your Etsy shop listings. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So if we're opening it up, this is going to be the main page you are greeted by. From here in the upper right corner, the first thing we can do is going to log into our account. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is the home page you're going to see, and in the upper right corner we can get started accessing the shop manager. If you do not already have a store set up, you're going to see the option right here to set up your store. If you already have a shop set up, you're going to go and be able to manage your shop settings from the shop manager. And now we can get started following this Etsy Help Center article right here on how to renew or hide our listings. But what we're looking for is this section right here that says how to manage your renewal settings. So setting the listings to automatically renew is by following the steps right here. You're going to go to listing details and then look for renewal options, guys. This is going to enable you to turn on automatic renewal, but if you want to turn it off, you're just going to the shop manager just like I showed you. Go to the listing section, so open up your listings and check the boxes next to each item with automatic renewal set up. From there, you're going to be able to select the editing options and then choose change renewal options, where you can select manual, and just like that you can turn all the listings into manual renewal and turn off automatic renewal, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.